Hello, Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am here with Franky, and Franky is here all the way from Austria. And it's an interesting story in terms of how she lost her hair, why she's here, so I'll let her say. But we're really excited to have her here, and thank you again for doing the video and telling your story. So tell me, when did you first notice your hair starting to go away?
Okay, my hair started receding, I would think about 20 years ago. When I was pregnant, I decided to keep my hair in locks so that I could just, manage it much easier. But yeah, that was very bad for me because at the end I put a lot of strain on my hairline, and eventually it just started falling off. And after the baby, it just got worse.
Okay.
And not understanding what was going on, I just kept on, plaiting it, thinking it would come back. And eventually, when I got educated that it's gone, I had to find help.
So your edges have been gone for 20 years or so? More than 20 years. Okay, and the pregnancy was sort of the last thing that kind of pushed you over the edge.
That's right.
And tell me again, you flew over a lot of clinics to get here. Tell us about your research in terms of, when you were looking into getting something done.
Look, I could have gone to just another country across the border from Austria, but I decided to come all this way because of all my research and the results that I've seen. And I've actually seen videos of people with going through the whole process and eventually showing that they've got good results. And I think the client service here as well was very good to be able to talk to people at any time. And yeah, that's what I prefer, yeah.
Excellent. And that will continue actually after the surgery as well. So you'll have my personal number. If you have any, you'll see the follow-up here is one of the reasons people really like our clinic as well. Yeah. So thank you for sharing your story. I'll just kind of pan around here so you can kind of see. I know I'll put some pictures up there too. So her edges are, you can see the remnants of her edges, but really for the most part, her edges are gone. And again, I know it's hard to show this to everybody in the world, but thank you for agreeing to letting people see. This will definitely help somebody in their journey. They'll be able to relate to this type of thing. So thank you again. So you can see there's really, we're starting fresh. We're going to start by drawing the line. We'll do another video after we've drawn the line. So thank you again, Franky. Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Franky. Just wanted to show the line that we all agreed on. So you can see here a nice curvy area around. Just basically following her old hairline, basically. She likes it a little bit, a very, very small forehead compared to what she had before. So this is going to be great. And I'll turn you this way as well. You can see here, so really excited. She has decided that she wants me to shave it all away, which is completely fine and not completely necessary for everybody. But for her, I think it's just me, starting fresh is kind of a better option for her. So next time you see her, she's not going to have any hair up there, but so I wanted to show the line before we did that.
Great, fresh start.
That's right. Thanks again, Franky.
Thank you.
Yes. Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Franky, and at this stage, we've done the anesthesia, we've removed the strip, and she's all sewn up. And she just got a little bathroom break, and now we're about to start making the little sights in the front. But Franky, how's your day been going so far? And be honest.
Very great.
Okay,
Very,
okay.
very great.
The hardest part is obviously the shots, right? They're not so fun. But once that's over, pretty easy, right?
I was able to handle it.
Excellent.
Quite well, yeah.
Excellent.
Not
Excellent.
so bad.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad your day's going well. We'll kind of show your progress a little bit later. So thanks for sharing everything, and we'll check in a little later.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay, Dr. Huebner, I am here with Franky, and we are at the end of surgery. So, Franky, how was your day? What would you say the day was like?
Fantastic. Very good. Very relaxing, actually.
Okay.
No pain, nothing. And
Good.
the technicians, the ladies, they were very great, very interacting. So
Good.
I really had a good time.
Good. And we're not paying you to say this.
No.
We're
Yeah,
I'm really happy about everything. You can kind of see where the outline of your new edges or hairline is going to be. I'm really happy with how we packed it in. So I'm expecting really, really nice things. And we're going to be following you, of course, throughout the year. But thanks again for telling your story. Can't wait to see your results.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.